everybody, here at Makita, it's all about gas replacement. I've got Trey here. He's going to talk to us a little bit about the machines in back of us. Trey, take it away.
Thank you. I wanted to introduce to you today our new line of XGT trimmers. We have two different types of trimmers powered direct drive here, our outer rotor motor. And then we also have next to that an assortment of conventional shaft-driven product. These are all powered by our new XGT platform motors. We do get probably a little more extended run time from our outer rotor motors, but we have more versatility and durability with the traditional shaft-driven product. You can see here from the assortments, we offer conventional string trimmers, or we have several of these models outfitted for brush cutting purposes. And these are 40cc equivalent type units for extended run, for all type purposes, both string trimmer and brush cutting. All on the 40-volt XGT platform.
So here, Trey, can you tell us a little bit about the power here down there compared to up in the shaft?
Well, with the outer rotor motor, what this does is in the aft end of the unit where the battery mounts, we don't have to do anything but wires through the shaft to get to the motor here at the shaft end. The outer rotor motor gives us a little better torque. It is very efficient on power use, and for that reason gives us a little more extended runtime. With the conventional setup of these string trimmers and brush cutters, it's very similar to the traditional gas units. We do have shaft, hard shaft spline in through the shaft, and then we've got the gear reduction down at the bottom for increased torque there. MakitaTools.com.
For more tips and how-to videos, go to weekendhandyman.com.